ready for some fucking Stooges, man? Oh my god, I've been waiting all fucking week to do this shit, man. My fucking fans have, my pen fans have been waiting anxiously for this fucking new goddamn episode, man. 3 lone wolves. Are you ready? Are you ready, Pee-wee? Come on, man. Tell me. I got nothing good to say about anybody this week. Except fucking Pee-wee. I love Pee-wee, man. It's fucking history, man. You just watch it, man, okay? Here we go. Here we go, Pee-wee. Here we go. Just fucking let's get the old fucking thing going here, man. Here we go. Here we go. All right, here we go. Oh, watch it now. It's fucking history, man. Oh yeah. Oh, Columbia pictures. All right, I like that. Oh, I got a Pee-wee. Oh, fucking Pee-wee's rocking, man. Here we go. Watch it. Oh yeah, 3 lone wolves. Oh yeah. Woo! Here at a pond tomorrow. I like that. The fucking little brat right here, man. Jesus Christ. Oh yeah, Father Brown in the background.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, son.
Oh yeah.
Which one of you guys are really my dad?
I am.
Fucking Pee-wee, man.
There's some
I'll
thing
dance in
about
the
this,
bush.
and I want the lowdown.
All right.
Now come clean. Where did I come from?
Well, you see, son, it was like this.
Woo!
It happened several years ago. You were a neensy, peensy, teensy, weensy, schmeensy,
Here's my story, man. Oh yeah. What the fuck, man?
What's the idea? I was just about to play Coming Through the Corn.
Oh.
You mean rye?
The way I play it, it's corn.
Break it up. How much money did you loan on this junk?
Junk.
$50. That's a genuine stratosphere.
Stratosphere.
Yeah.
Play some air.
Whoa! It's fucking Eddie Van Halen there, man. Holy shit! My fucking pubic hairs are curling, man.
Isn't
Holy
that beautiful?
shit!
That's the old looking bucket I'm
Oh
playing.
God!
Sounds like it.
Yeah.
Son of a bitch!
Where'd the water come from?
From the old oaken bucket.
I have a fucking cookie for this shit, man.
And you, maestro, you get over there and play that bull fiddle. And no old oaken bucket.
Why, sing me. You ain't heard nothing yet.
Oh, yeah.
That's funny. I ain't heard nothing yet either.
Oh, fucking, you want a fucking cookie? Fuck you, man.
Yeah.
Fucking mine.
I'm not a stratosphere, you boy.
Well, let's have it.
That's a fine way to throw our money away.
Fuck
Don't
you,
you look at
man.
merchandise before you hand it out? You nitwit, I'll
I'll
smash
spit it
your
on
brains.
fucking hookers, man.
I'm sorry, sir. These 2 bullies were attacking me with poison gas.
That's the guy that sold me this fake bull fiddle.
You're
Fucking
dreaming,
poison
son.
gas.
I'm Butch McGee, president of the Gas House Protective Association.
Ooh.
You're new around here, ain't you?
Yeah, we just inherited this place from our Uncle Tom.
Good. There'll be 25 berries a week, or
Jesus
pineapples
Christ.
with TNT.
What the fuck's going on, man?
Millions for the fence,
Well,
but not
fucking,
one
I don't know
cent
what
for
the
tribute.
fuck happened there.
And we're pretty tough
I'm
ourselves.
fucking everywhere tonight.
What's this, Shorty? They call me Mickey Mo, the murdering masseur.
Ooh.
I'll show you some mayhem.
Oh, yeah.
Good work, Mo.
Boy, he's tough.
Ah, that's baby stuff. Let me show you the real McCoy. Oh.
Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah.
I was just trying. You better come across with the dough.
No, I'm mad.
So what?
So I hate that man.
Goddamn son of a bitch monkey, man.
I'll
Trying
really
to feel my fucking nuts. Oh, look at that shit. Holy fucking shit. Come on, man. Show what you got. Come on, Janelle. Punch my lights out. Holy son of a bitch, man. Goddamn monkeys. I conked her, all right, man.
Oh, what's
I
up,
bet that
eh?
fucking felt good.
Come on with us, will you? I want to show you. You're in the wrong
Oh,
alley.
shit.
Up we go.
Goddamn.
Yeah, your old hat don't fit me anyway.
Damn it, man.
Open your mouth. Hey,
Fucking-
nice little baby now, huh? Real tough boy. You're not so tough, little baby. Here's your 25 berries.
Oh, I love that.
Hey, Butch.
Woo!
What are you doing here?
The cops are on our trail, Butch.
Holy shit.
Yeah?
What a baby!
That's my sister's kid.
That's my fucking
The
future
cops
wife!
never look for Molly the glamour girl with a baby in her arms.
Goddamn son of a
It worked.
bitch.
Smart gal.
Oh,
We
yeah.
can't take it on the way I'm looking at
What
baby
the fuck
around.
am I doing
Better
here,
return
man?
it to your sister.
I don't dare go back. The cops are watching the house. They never sure.
All
Yeah,
right.
that's right. I got it. Take the kid over to that hot shop and leave it with them saps. Your sister can pick it up later. We'll mail her the pawn ticket.
Swell idea. As long as I'm there, I might as well hawk my diamond ring.
Yeah, them lunkheads will have a fall for that hunk of glass. I'll meet you at Joe's.
I got a fucking cookie, man. Look at that. Goddamn. Where the fuck did it go,
Hey,
man?
Larry, come here. I can, I'm busy. Well, drop what you're doing and come here. Okay, if you say so.
Goddamn.
Yeah? What's the big idea? You told me to drop what I was doing, so I did. Why, you...
Woo!
Beat me to it that time. Yeah. Curly and I are going to
Ooh,
lunch.
that's a delicious
Don't lend
cookie.
any money on anything till we get back. Here, hang up this tuba.
Fucking.
Come on, Curly.
All right. All right, man. That's good cookie. The fuck? Goddamn son of a bitch, man.
How do you do, madam? What can I do for you? Oh, an offspring.
Oh, such a cute little baby. I was cuter when I was fucking baby, man. You son of a bitch, man. Fucking balls are fucking itching.
Oh, my poor little Egbert.
Oh, no.
My hungry
Oh, my
little
God.
baby.
I'm gonna cry.
He left me. My no good husband left me. Me and little Egbert without a home, without a cent. All I have in the world is a 20-carat diamond ring. Could you let me have 100 on it?
Oh, fuck, man.
Even his ring was a fake.
Pony.
Oh,
What's the matter?
oh, please give me a drink.
Sure.
Goddamn son of a bitch, man. You guys watch this fucking episode. I gotta look for my fucking nutsack or something here. Fucking nutsack fell off, man. I don't know where the fuck it is either, man. I don't know. It just fell on the fucking floor. Down my pants
There you
leg.
are.
Jesus Christ,
Hmm,
man.
Edmund. Shouldn't be a total loss. I'll drink it myself.
Holy shit. Woo! Son of a bitch, man.
Tastes terrible. Ooh, chill it with a cigarette. Firewood. Well, what do you
Woo!
know?
I want that fucking drink, man.
Oh, you sweet you.
It can blow fucking flames in somebody's face, man. Oh, look at that little baby, man.
Oh, you cute thing. Let me
You're so
tell you a
cute.
bedtime
Oh, yeah.
story.
Fucking.
Let
Ooh.
me see. Once upon a time, there were 3 bears. Max Bear, Buddy Bear, and Bugs Bear. Now, bear in mind, these bears were never bear because they ran around in their bear skins.
Oh, yeah.
But with their
Fucking
bare
Pee-wee,
feet,
what are you doing, man?
so the 3 little bears went skipping and frolicking,
Woo!
hither, thither, and hither,
Stroke.
without their mither and
Ah!
skip, 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 skip. Pardon me, gentlemen. How'd that baby get here? Business as usual. What? I mean, the kid walked in and asked for a match. I said, I don't smoke. Look, it's cute. Oh. How dare you strike a mother with an infant in his arms? Where is that kid's mother? The bag left me holding the babe. What are we going to do with it? Keep it for 30 days. If nobody calls for it, it's yours.
You son of a bitch.
Get the
Fucking
kid a
chair
bottle.
sucks,
A
man.
bottle? Oh, a bottle, yeah. Excuse me. Hurry up, we'll take care of it until you get back. What'd you do in case it cries? We'll just change its position from one side to the other. You would think of that.
Oh, fuck you, man. All right.
Don't cry, baby, don't cry. Look at him. Funny face. Funny face. That funny one, don't scare him.
Woo!
Like this, look.
Oh, yeah.
Don't cry. Look how many funny faces. Look. Don't cry, Daddy.
Oh, yeah.
Here's your bottle. Oh, swell. Got an opener? There ain't one around the place. Well. Close your eyes. Open your mouth. Depress your lower jaw.
I wonder if that fucking works,
You
man.
shouldn't give a baby beer. But I give the bottle when I'm through drinking it. Yes, the beer's mine. I want half. Give it to me. Give it to me. I want it. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Give it to me, man.
Please, please. Give it to me, or I'll tear your knuckles out.
Oh, fucking move, man.
Yeah, so it did. And you're gonna get it.
Some bitch. What the fuck am I doing, man?
And you.
Fucking son of a bitch. Fucking next episode, man.
I can't stand crying, I tell you.
Yeah.
I'm quiet.
Alright.
You.
That's good.
That kid crying. What are we gonna do with it? I can't stand it. Drive me nuts. I got it.
Yeah.
Put the baby in the safe and you won't hear it.
Yeah.
You lose.
Oh, fucking.
fellas,
look, I gave it a
pacifier.
Alright, that's enough. Woo! Oh, nice and content. Fucking gun, man.
Oh, look out. The kid may pull a trigger. Don't be silly. I wouldn't give a loaded gun to a kid. Did you examine it? Sure. See, I would go off. But it ain't loaded. I'll show you. Your head's like rocket. If you hadn't taken the kid in, we wouldn't have all this trouble.
What the fuck's going on, folks? I enjoyed my fucking episode.
Like a potato.
You better be fucking watching it, man. Because I'm gonna fucking have to rip your fucking peeling hairs off.
That's crying again. I can't take it. Hey, young man, come here.
God damn it, man.
Get that kid a bottle.
Fucking balls fucking it.
That's an order. Aye, aye. Aye, aye. Aye, aye. Aye, aye.
Oh, God. She mixed it on a fucking dresser drawer? Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Oh, God, you stupid fucker.
Quiet, little angel. Quiet, angel. I'll break your neck. Hey, Charlie, hurry up, will you? I'm coming. Just a minute.
Woo! Oh, goddamn, I can't fucking get comfortable, man. Fucking goddamn seat is fucking right up my fucking ass.
What's that? The baby's bottle.
Oh,
Now you got a sliver of a brain. I'll show you how it works. Oh, that's funny. I could hold it myself.
Oh, you can see that fucking joke coming a mile away.
I do, baby. That
was fucking right.
There you are. Look at the little sucker. Now he's happy.
Woo!
And you.
God damn
You're
it,
going to make
man.
nursemaids out of us. If that
Holy
kid's not on
fucking
it back
shit.
soon, I'm going to turn it over to the police.
Uh-oh. Here comes the tough guy. Woo! This was like trouble,
It's
man.
like you got rid of me, eh, wise guys? Okay, boys, give him the works. Come here, you. You're just my What for?
So I can hit you.
That Penny takes over, man. Oh, shit.
Why, you upset?
Oh, fucking. What the fuck?
Why, you... Why, I'll...
Oh. Oh, that's terrible. What the fuck? Holy shit! Oh, I bet that feels really good. Oh, fucking right, man. I'm fucking exhausted already, man. I can't take any more fucking Stooges tonight, man.
Oh boy, we got him.
Go phone the police. Tell them to come after this load of blubber. And that's how it was,
Fucking
son.
load of
You see,
blubber,
the police
man.
came and took them away.
Sounds
No
like
one
my
ever called for
fucking
you.
co-workers.
Oh, so you just moved in on me, eh? I'm going to find my mother.
Wait a minute, son. I can all your fault. You had to take in kids, huh? Oh.
Oh, all right, man. Oh, yeah. All right, it's all over. All right, man. Let's flip the... Oh, fuck yeah, man. Ooh, enough of that shit, man. All right. Woo! Well, that was an exciting episode of the fucking Stooges, wasn't it? I know you really appreciated that. It was called Lone Wolf's whatever the fuck. I don't know what the fuck that was, man. It was spectacular. Oh, I gotta end this fucking podcast because I'm at over 50 fucking minutes, man. Oh, until next time, we're gonna do another episode, baby, in a couple fucking days, man. So you take care and you... I don't know what the fuck you're doing. See you later, man. See you fucking later. Woo-hoo, bye. Got the fucking son of a bitch.